Guys, I so want to cry right now.
Do you? Why just looked at the fender?
My beautiful TSX. Well, your beautiful TSX. Yeah. Those of you who don't know, like, long story short, I promised my girlfriend a running and driving car. I wasn't driving this car as I drive my tow truck a lot, almost every other day. Pretty much every day, every time I have to go outside and I don't want to drive the Civic, I hop in the truck. But long story short, December 16th, some guy hit us with his CRV, and this is the aftermath, and they're literally totaling out the car. It's a 2005 car, 150,000 miles, so yeah, this is deemed totaled in their eyes. In my eyes, I could put a fender, get a door, and get some new RPF ones, probably for like $1,000 all in total. And that's buying 4 RPF ones, brand new, different color, and buying a door, because I've seen some RPF ones for like $750, 17 by 9, just no tires. But I'm so heartbroken, bro. This by far the best car I've ever owned, and I probably said that already in the last clip. This car never skipped a beat. This car has never gave me no issues, bro, ever. Like, I got this car from a trade from my Silverado, and yeah, I'm heartbroken. But who knows? Whatever the money that I get from the insurance, I most likely will get another one, or just put that money towards the RSX, just because I want to downsize, because I had this, that, the Civic, and the RSX hiding away far away. So I want to downsize. 3 cars is literally the perfect amount. So yeah, I'm heartbroken. Best car ever, right?
Should have locked the door.
Oh. Yeah, it's freezing. What's your verdict?
Why is that so bright? Are they saying how much you gave me?
I don't think so, buddy.
Why not?
Man, you know I'm about to give you 100 mantle for this damn car.
I'm not fucking doing that, bro. Not after I got backed in my own town, bro. Shit makes me not even want to drive.
Yeah, by the way, the accident literally happened a block away from my house. So that's another thing. But they said stuff always happens closest to home, so
We're going this way?
I don't even know. I mean, yeah, the Tappan Zee Bridge is not that far.
Oh, poor baby.
I know, such a good car.
Yo, bro, this kid. Harris! Bro, Jesus fuck. Y'all see what the fuck he's doing? Stop! Alright! How we're gonna get through it, I have no clue. Jesus. Something is wrong with this kid.
All right, guys, I'm teaching my girl how to drive
Get the fuck
automatic.
Out of here.
Hold on, let me turn off my AC.
Alright. Whenever you're ready.
There you go.
Ready?
Niggas drunk.
I'm manually shifting my shit. Yo, he's all the way back there. polish it. You feel me?
Polish, he losing it up right now.
Damn, look
With
at my
extra
boy
baby
Preet.
oil.
Shout out to Preet.
Extra baby oil in there.
Finally getting
Yo, the
rid of those
Epstein
bald
files
ass.
coming out, everything is-
I know.
Yeah, motherfuckers were eating babies and shit, I think. That shit was, I don't know. Somebody was eating babies. I don't know how you found a baby edible. That's kind of crazy. Only man I trust handling my wheels. If it's not him, then it's Bebo. Bought some brand new Toyo Proxies. Oh, that's putting the air in it. Oh, shit. But yeah, hey, babe, how much I pay for those tires?
$20.
Nah, imagine. Yeah, pretty much $50 a tire. And a brand new. I originally was going to get rid of these rims, but I have a new idea, and I'm just going to keep them. And they're going on another car.
There's nothing there.
Damn, bro, I look like a Nissan Altima driver, bro.
You could have made the lines.
I know, right? With a knife?
Could have grew. No, I would have took a Dremel. I would have did it official.
Damn.
I just kept growing.
Resold.
Resold.
Damn, I should resell these. Word. $300. Come take it.
Nigga, you cannot do that. What
Oh,
the
no,
fuck?
that shit coming out. Oh. I know what I have. $300. Nah, that's fucking hilarious.
Story for a different day.
I got some pretty good use out of those tires.
Oh, and it looks like your caliper's touching it.
Mmm.
Your caliper's definitely touching it. And that's
Damn.
with a spacer.
Yeah, that's crazy. But that's a thin spacer, though. Should I run like the 10 mils?
I didn't know these fucking
Look, the lightweight,
Yeah.
Oh, my fucking 10 mil spacers are at the house.
everything's
Literally.
Is that big ass shit?
What? Yeah, my Brembo. You feel me? Rooming got Brembos. You feel me, babe? 245/40. These are the old tires, though. I wanted to downsize because the car rubbed. This is the new tire. This is a 235/40/17. Crazy because I was so against getting Toyo Proxies, just because every time I think of Toyo Proxies, I think of the R888Rs, and I don't want to be slipping and sliding in the water. So, but I didn't know that Toyo Proxies made all season tires. So, pretty cool. And a lot of my friends was telling me these are underrated tires. So, and my mechanic said these are amazing. So I'm pretty happy. $200 for all four, and they're brand new. This is how they're brand new. 2025. Let me see. The speed rating is 94W. So these tires will go up to 170 miles an hour. I don't think this car would ever reach 170. Maybe 160. Maybe, because I took this car up to speed, you know? Did the job. We're right here under the car, making sure what we need. What you said I need? I need end links, inner and outer tie rods, ball joints, and sway bar links.
Yeah, sway bar links. Other than that, it should be solid.
at the
Control
motor.
arms if you want to do
Dude, you know
those.
his fucking
Motor look brand new, knee.
his,
Look at
what
that.
was it? The windshield washer fluid. That shit
Oh yeah, that
broke
shit
again.
froze.
Oh, yeah.
I put water in the tank, and then it started working again.
That shit probably frozen
That shit
again.
frozen.
I should do brake pads while I'm at it too. I need
I mean,
pads.
you could. You could get some Brembo ones off of Rock Auto. They sell those.
Copy. And then I would have to look
But
for.
you gotta find out, man, what to do with the rotor.
Yeah, I don't know what
You
rotor
gotta-
this
You
is.
gotta get rid of the rotor, or just buy a new kit. Like, you know, just hit up Fast Brakes. Fast Brakes will sell you a ring.
Mm-hmm.
You just gotta hit them up. Be like, yo, I got a 2000 whatever 8 Honda Civic, and
And it comes, and I put the TL Brembo.
I got the TL Brembos on there. But whatever somebody else did is they bored out the hole. That, or you gotta take it to a machinist, and then they're gonna cut it.
Ah,
They're gonna cut it out, and
That's-
then you can put it on.
that sounds like a load of some bullshit. But we good money though. At least we got the tires done. I mean, this car don't really need much.
Now it's got new tires.
We got new tires. Like, we'll probably do all of that, what you said, probably summertime, springtime, I guess.
That's that shit I need.
A torque wrench? I've never used a torque wrench in my life. Matter of fact, I did, but I never set it up. I don't know how to do that.
I seen some people strip bolts with that shit.
No, you can't.
I seen a nigga torquing down his head studs and...
And it's fun.
Yup.
That is so miserable. That's like the worst day ever.
You gotta take that head back off, take it to the machine shop, right?
You gotta refresh the block.
Oh my God, bro. It's that much of a headache, right? Yo, throw the motor away. Just get a new one.
Unless you built it.
Yeah, unless it's built. Oh, let me show y'all the damage. Bro. That's front tire. That's... Huh? I need control arms? Why? Oh. I'm gonna just buy everything.
Why would y'all just buy it and tow it to him?
No, it drives fine.